verbs. V1, V2, V3. Okay. Make, build, tell, okay, sell and say. Now we will write V2, V3 for these verbs. Made. V3 also same. Made. Built. V3 also same. Built. Told. V3 also same. Told. Sold. V3 also same. Sold. Okay. Sold. Said. What is that? Said. V3 also same. Said. Okay. Repeat after me. Make, made, made. Build, built, built. Tell, told, told. Sell, sold, sold. Say, said, said. Okay, so these are the 5 verbs. Okay, so you try to write sentences by using these 5 verbs. Okay, so every day I am telling the verbs, right? So please try to write sentences by using these verbs. Okay, it is very useful for speaking. We completed present block, right? So today I am going to start past block. What is that? Past block. In the past block also, how many tenses are there? 4 tenses. Okay, what are those? Simple past, okay, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, just you have to change the present and past. Instead of the present, you have to keep past. Okay, so in the last class we learned about simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, right? So from today we are going to learn past block. Okay, just you have to remember we are using past instead of present. Okay, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, if I write on the board, you can understand. Okay, now see. Past block. Simple past. Past continuous. Past perfect continuous. Sorry, past perfect. Next, past perfect continuous. Okay, this is the past block. Today we are going to learn about simple past. So, what is simple past? The completed action in the past. It's very easy. The completed action. Okay, గతంలో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినటువంటి యాక్షన్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడాలి అంటే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ద యాక్షన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్. Now let's see the syntax for simple past. Okay, we can say the syntax, structure or syntax, both are same. Okay, So now let's see the syntax of simple past tense. Okay. Simple past, and the syntax is subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, subject plus V2 plus object. If I take any sentence, I eat an apple. This is one sentence, right? Here the I is subject. What is that? Subject. Okay, and ate is verb. But which form is there? Is it? But which form is it? V2. Okay. Then what is V1 for this? Eat. Okay. So eat is V1 and V2 is ate. Okay. And after the V2, the remaining part is object. Okay, so do you understand what is subject, what is V2 and what is object? Okay, now let's see the examples. I went to school. So here the action is completed. Okay, I went to school. నేను స్కూల్ కి వెళ్ళాను. Okay, so it is completed. ఈ సెంటెన్స్ అనేది completed. ఈ యాక్షన్ అనేది completed. నేను స్కూల్ కి వెళ్ళాను అంటే నేను వెళ్ళిపోయాను. Okay, and she. For she also V2 only will come. So she went to school. Simple past is very easy to write. Okay, whatever subject is coming, just you have to use only V2. Okay, and no change in the V2. Okay, he went to school. And they went to school. They went to school. See, there is no change. Just we are changing the subject. And the remaining part is same. Okay. So, if you want to write question in the simple past, just we have to use did. What we have to use? Did. Did. Okay. For she, he, it, they, you. Okay, whatever the subject, we have to use only did. Understand what we have to use? Only did. So how to write question for this? So for that also I will write syntax. Just see. Did plus subject plus V1 plus object and question mark. This is the question syntax for simple past. Okay, just we have to add did and the subject same, but here we should not write V2 in the question. Okay, we must write V1 in the simple past. Okay, so see how to write. Just we have to add did and the subject is I. Next V1. What is the V1 for went? Go. What is the V1 for went? Go. So this is the V1. Okay. So did I, and the remaining object is same. Object is same. Okay. So did I. So went. So here V1 we have to write. So go and the remaining part is to school. Sorry, question mark. Okay. Did I go to school? Did I go to question. If you want to question, you have to use did. Okay. So it is completed action. It is completed action. So now let's see another example. If I take she went to school. This is one sentence, right? Now we have to write question for this sentence. So how to write? Just we have to use did. Did she. After that what we have to write? Subject. Okay, did she, and after that V1. What is the V1 for went? Go. Okay. So did she go, and the remaining object is same as it is, you have to write. And the question mark. Okay. Did she go to school? Aame school ku vellinda? Okay. So if you want to talk about the actions completed in the past, you have to use simple past. Okay. The simple past, you try to write more sentences by using these examples. Okay. So here what is important? Syntax is important. So what is the syntax? Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay. Just we have to write went. Okay. And after that, if you wanted to write a question in the simple past, we have to use did. Okay. Did plus subject plus V1. Okay. If did come means you have to use V1. Don't write V2. Okay. So already here did is past tense. Okay. So we have to use V1 in the question. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.